Hey, welcome to the NAOS Life Science. So, here we are. You are full of microbes and you need them to be healthy. Deal. But now, the question is, how did they get there? And how can we foster the settling and the balance of a healthy microbiome? Well, everything started at the very beginning of your life, when you first met your mother's microbes and then the rest of the living world. The major settling takes approximately 2 to 3 years, and it keeps evolving during your whole life, depending on your lifestyle, your hormonal status, UV exposure, antibiotic treatments, or even if you have a pet or not. And do you know what is the most important thing that determines a healthy microbiome? Diversity. You carry a whole microbial population on your skin, and what they do for you, this is a teamwork. To be resilient and powerful, this ecosystem needs biodiversity, like any other ecosystem of the living world. And to get this biodiversity, you need to meet friendly microbes, like a lot. Oh. Hello, gorgeous. Can we meet this afternoon? This is my new crush. Stop! No, there's no app to meet your microbes. Your microbiome diversity is directly related to what scientists call the nature-relatedness. Go outside, meet the living world, touch plants, touch animals, lay on the ground, eat raw vegetables, and please stop disinfecting your house each week. Disinfecting too much prevents you from catching bad microbes, but good ones too. It seems that your skincare habits can have an impact too on your skin microbiome. First, you'd better clean yourself softly. Our micellar water, Sensibio H2O, has been clinically proven to preserve the skin microbiome diversity. And you can foster it with microbiome-friendly skincare products like our cellular water mist or our moisturizing melting cream. Well, that's all for today. Stay tuned and take care.
What are you doing?
I'm cultivating my microbiome.